What if one giant solar storm could switch off the entire modern world? Phones, internet, satellites, everything. And what if the only way to rebuild technology was by going back 100 years? Stay with me, because in this video, I'll explain, in simple words, how old-school vacuum tubes could save the future of technology. And before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, Thinkverse. Imagine this: a massive solar storm, stronger than the 1859 Carrington event, hits Earth. Scientists estimate a storm like this could damage over 90% of modern microelectronics in just hours. Phones stop working, internet collapses, cars with chips won't start, power grids fail, because modern microchips are tiny and fragile. Today's chips are smaller than a grain of sand. They work with extremely low voltage. A strong electromagnetic pulse, an EMP, can instantly overload them. Result? Permanent damage. Estimates suggest global losses could exceed $2.3 trillion in the first year alone. So how do we rebuild? Before microchips, computers ran on vacuum tubes. They were big, hot, power-hungry, but they had one superpower: they survive EMPs and solar storms. In fact, vacuum tube systems can tolerate 10,000x more electrical surge than modern chips. Cold War bunkers still use tube-based systems for this reason. Now imagine this. Scientists are already experimenting with silicon-etched vacuum tubes, nanoscale electron channels, tube-based logic gates smaller than a fingernail. These modern tubes could survive solar storms, run basic computers, restore radios, power controls, and medical systems. Not fast, but indestructible. EMP resistant, up to 99% survival rate in simulations. Extremely durable. Can operate for decades without failure. Ideal for critical infrastructure. Slower, up to 1,000x slower than modern CPUs. Consume 5 to 10x more power. Larger devices. Limited computing power. So no gaming PCs, but yes, civilization reboot. Would we accept slower technology if it meant technology that could never be wiped out again? A world with fewer apps, but more resilience. If humanity ever faces a total tech reset, vacuum tubes might be our digital lifeboat. And on Thinkverse, I promise to explore more futures where technology reshapes what it means to be human. In the next few days, I'll bring you a new short exploring something even more unsettling. What if humans implemented a permanent brain-to-brain interface, and the idea of being an individual completely collapsed? That one will change how you see identity itself. If you enjoyed this thought experiment, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Thinkverse, because you've already stayed till the end, and your support truly matters.